Imagine peering into a crystal ball and seeing the future of transportation. What you're about to discover may just redefine your understanding of what's possible. The EV market is on the brink of monumental changes. Changes so profound, they promise to alter not just the vehicles we drive, but the very fabric of our daily lives. This isn't about minor tweaks or gradual improvements. We're standing on the cusp of a revolution that will transform the automotive landscape forever. Join me as we dive into the astonishing predictions for 2024, where the EV market doesn't just evolve, it leaps into a new era of sustainability and innovation. From groundbreaking advancements in technology to seismic shifts in consumer behavior, we're about to unravel the predictions that experts say will not only reshape the EV market, but also catapult us into a new age of clean, efficient, and sustainable transportation.
We're building the future of the electric vehicle.
Are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's explore the electrifying future that awaits us, and understand why the next chapter in the EV saga is unlike anything we've ever seen before. 2023 painted a complex picture for the EV industry. While remarkable sales figures marked a year of significant progress, underlying challenges exposed the intricate and dynamic nature of this transformative journey. Undeniably, 2023 witnessed a global surge in EV sales. This growth was particularly evident in leading markets like the United States, China, and Europe. The US market achieved a significant milestone, surpassing the 1 million mark for electric vehicle sales by the end of the year.
I've been in the auto industry 40 years, and I've never seen this kind of investment.
This represents a substantial leap, showcasing a growing appetite for EVs among American consumers. Similarly, China, the world's largest automotive market, continued its dominance in the EV space, with sales exceeding 6.6 million units in 2023. Europe, too, displayed strong momentum, with several countries surpassing the 20% market share mark for EVs.
Electric cars are having a moment.
The demand for electric vehicles is booming.
However, the latter half of 2023 presented a new set of challenges. Reports emerged of EV stockpiles accumulating at dealerships, prompting automakers to reassess production strategies. This shift can be attributed to several factors, including rising interest rates, economic uncertainties, and potential overproduction in anticipation of continued high demand.
There is an oversupply of electric vehicles in the industry today that is greater than the demand.
Despite the temporary setbacks, the industry's long-term commitment to electrification remains unwavering. Leading manufacturers continue to invest heavily in research and development, unveiling innovative models with extended range, improved charging capabilities, and competitive pricing. Additionally, governments across the globe are implementing supportive policies and incentives to bolster EV adoption. These initiatives range from tax breaks and charging infrastructure development to stricter emissions regulations, collectively creating a conducive environment for sustainable transportation. It's crucial to acknowledge that the transition from fossil fuel-powered vehicles to EVs is a complex and multifaceted process. The year 2023 served as a reminder of the inherent volatility associated with such a significant transformation. However, amidst the challenges, the industry and consumers alike demonstrate a growing understanding of the iterative nature of this evolution. Recognizing the need for continuous adaptation and strategic adjustments paves the way for a more resilient and sustainable future for the automotive landscape. Let's not make 2023 look entirely bad. The year deserves its flowers as we have some key advancements that happened in that year. Some of the areas that experienced that growth are battery technology. Continued advancements in battery technology resulted in improved range, faster charging times, and potentially lower costs, addressing some of the major concerns associated with EV adoption. Charging infrastructure. The year saw significant investments in expanding and improving charging infrastructure, making EVs a more viable option for a wider range of consumers. Model diversification. Automakers continued to expand their EV offerings, catering to diverse consumer needs and preferences. This included a wider range of vehicle types, from budget-friendly sedans to luxury SUVs and even commercial vehicles. As we turn the page to 2024, the electric vehicle industry continues to navigate a dynamic and evolving landscape. While initial projections for 2023 hinted at a potential slowdown, the year unfolded with a mix of resilience, strategic adjustments, and exciting advancements. Early predictions for 2023 painted a picture of a potentially stagnating EV market. However, the year witnessed continued growth, albeit at a more measured pace compared to the explosive rise seen in previous years. This resilience can be attributed to several factors, including sustained government support. Policymakers across the globe continued to implement initiatives encouraging EV adoption. These included tax breaks, subsidies, and investments in charging infrastructure, providing a crucial safety net for the industry. Growing consumer demand, environmental concerns, and rising fuel costs continued to drive economic interest in EVs. While initial enthusiasm may have plateaued somewhat, a solid base of eco-conscious buyers remained committed to the electric revolution. Fierce competition. The increasing number of EV players, both established automakers and innovative startups, fueled healthy competition. This not only led to a wider range of choices for consumers, but also spurred continuous improvement in technology and affordability. After experiencing and recognizing the evolving market dynamics, several automakers adopted strategic pricing adjustments in 2023. This included discounts and incentives. Manufacturers offered attractive discounts and purchase incentives to entice potential buyers, particularly for older models or those facing stiffer competition.
Last year we had 30-something models in the marketplace to almost 90-plus models today, a more mainstream buyer.
Focus on cost optimization. Acknowledging the need for long-term sustainability, companies like Ford openly address the need for cost optimization in their EV production processes. This aimed to ensure future models remain competitive and accessible to a wider audience. Strategic investments. Despite potential short-term adjustments, the industry remained committed to long-term growth. This was evident in continued investments in research and development, production capacity expansion, and partnerships aimed at fostering innovation and securing crucial resources. 2024 has proven to be a pivotal year for the electric vehicle industry, marked by both significant growth and evolving dynamics. While investor enthusiasm remains strong, a shift in sentiment has emerged, prompting crucial adaptations for long-term success. Contrary to some initial concerns, EV sales continue to experience positive growth in 2024. Estimates suggest an increase of around 18.5% compared to 2023, reaching around 17.5 million units sold globally.
How long a vehicle is going to sell a lot? It's just that the EVs are sitting even longer.
However, the growth trajectory has shown signs of moderation compared to earlier projections. This has led to adjustments in forecasts by analysts like Bloomberg NEF, who revised their initial estimate of 17.5 million down slightly. This moderation can be attributed to factors like rising inventory levels at dealerships, indicating a potential need for adjustments in production strategies. While the EV market continues to hold immense potential, investors are adopting a more discerning approach. Increased scrutiny focuses on companies demonstrating not only rapid growth, but also sustainable long-term strategies. This shift in investor sentiment emphasizes the need for EV companies to go beyond simply capturing market share. Building robust financials, establishing efficient supply chains, and demonstrating clear pathways to profitability are becoming crucial factors for attracting and retaining investment.
$6.5 billion strictly dedicated to EVs.
Innovation remains a driving force in the EV industry, with continuous advancements in battery technology being a key focus. Research and development efforts are directed towards improving battery range, reducing charging times, and lowering overall costs. Enough of the general view of the industry. Let's talk about the EVs themselves. What is happening with competition? Who is topping the EV charts in 2024? How are they doing it, and how far can they go? Here are some of the leading contenders and a glimpse into their potential future based on current performance. Let's start with the old dogs in the market. Tesla, the undisputed leader in the EV market. Tesla continues to dominate with its Model 3 and Model Y remaining top sellers. With continuous software updates and potential for hardware revisions, Tesla is likely to maintain its strong position in the coming years. However, their reliance on a limited model lineup could pose a challenge as competition diversifies. General Motors. GM has made significant strides in the EV space, with the Chevrolet Bolt EV and the recently launched Hummer EV and Silverado EV. Their focus on offering diverse options across various segments positions them well for future growth, especially if they can effectively address production and battery supply chain challenges.
General Motors, the country's largest automaker, plans to have 40% of its vehicles electric by the end of 2025.
New entrants in the EV market. Hyundai. The Hyundai Kona Electric and Ioniq 5 have garnered significant praise for their range, performance, and value proposition. Hyundai's commitment to expanding its EV lineup, including the upcoming Ioniq 6 and 7, suggest a bright future for the brand in the EV market. Kia. Kia's foray into the EV landscape with the EV6 has been met with positive reception. The combination of style, performance, and competitive pricing positions Kia as a strong contender in the growing SUV segment. Their upcoming EV9 further strengthens their position in the market. Based on current performance and these additional factors, here are some predictions for the leading EVs. Tesla is likely to have continued dominance, but diversification beyond their current model lineup will be crucial for sustained growth. GM's success hinges on effectively addressing production bottlenecks and expanding their EV portfolio across various segments. Hyundai and Kia have a chance as a continued focus on innovation, value proposition, and brand building will solidify their position as major players in the EV market. 2024 has been a year of significant growth and transformation for the EV industry. The leading players highlighted above are paving the way for a future dominated by electric vehicles. By focusing on technological innovation, sustainable practices, and customer satisfaction, these companies and others like them can ensure a future where electric mobility becomes the norm, shaping a cleaner and more sustainable transportation landscape. If you found this video insightful, please like and subscribe for more updates.